Hello and welcome our YouTube channel. Today our topic is machine learning. Machine learning is a field of study in artificial intelligence concerned with the development and study of statistical algorithm that can learn from data, generalize to unseen data, and perform tasks without explicit instructions. Recently, artificial neural networks have been able to surpass many previous approaches in performance. Machine learning find application in many fields, including natural language processing, computer vision, speak recognition, email filtering, agriculture, and medicine. When applied to business problems, it is known under the name predictive analytics. Not all the machine learning is statistical based. Computational statistics in an important source of field in the methods. The mathematical foundation of machine learning are provided by mathematical optimization, mathematical programming method. Data mining is a related parallel field of study focusing on exploratory data scientists through unsupervised learning from a theoretical viewpoint. Probably experimentally correct learning provides a framework for describing machine learning. And now we are going to start about the history of machine learning. The term machine learning was coined in 1959 by Arthur Samuel, an IBM employee and pioneer in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence. The synonym self-teaching computer was also used in this time period. The earliest machine learning model was introduced in 1950s. Author Samuel invented a program that calculated the winning chances in checkers for each side. The history of machine learning roots back decade of human desire and effort of study human cognitive processes. In the early 1960s, the experimental learning machine with punch tap memory called Cybertron has been developed by the Tether company to analyze sonar signal, electro diagram, and speech pattern using rudimentary reinforcement learning. Modern days machine learning has two objectives. One is to classify database and model which have been developed with other purpose to make predictions for future outcomes based on these models. Hypothetical algorithms specific to classifying data may use vision of computer of models coupled with supervised learning in order to train it to classify the concerned model. A machine learning algorithm for stocking trading algorithms inform the trader of the future potential. In 1980s, a report was given on using teaching strategies so that an artificial neural network learned to recognize 40 characteristics, 24 6 letters, 10 digits, and 4 special symbols from a computer terminal. Mitchell provides a widely quoted, more formal definition of algorithm studies in machine learning. He said that a computer program is said to learn from experience with E respect to some class of task with represent T and perform measure. If P if performance is task and a measure by P improve with experience, the definition of the task is which machine learning is concerned offered to fundamentally operational definition rather than defining the field of cognitive terms. Thanks for watching today's lecture is end and hope you like this content and please subscribe and follow and also like this video.